and gentlemen, good afternoon from the flight deck. We're cruising at 37,000 feet. We just passed over the coast. We'll be beginning our descent in about 30 minutes. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to America.
Жолың болсын маға, ұмытпа бізді маға, ұмытпа бізді маға.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we have a Kazakh party. I mean, no Kazakh party. Everybody like shooting. Everybody making some food. Kazakh food. I'm going to get in. Hey, what's up? This is the Kazakh girl from Kazakhstan.
Oh, hi,
Hey,
what's up?
Like, do you like that? Like that. Give five. Hey, what's up? And she's shying. Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, man?
It's the Kazakh boy. He's from Kazakhstan, right?
Yeah.
He's from Kazakhstan. Do you guys want to see like kind of Kazakh food? Oh my god, I never seen like long time, 2 years ago maybe I saw it last time in Kazakhstan. This is the kind of, it's called like baursak. If you guys wanna try, just call me or text me, I will try to give you ingredient how to make that. And then you guys know Stop and Shop cake. Some donuts from Dunkin' Donuts. Usually donuts. And I 7-Up. I don't know what is that. It's kind of 7-Up. So I'm going to kitchen and say everyone hi. Hey, what's up, guys?
Hi.
Hey, are you with? Hey, what's going on?
Fine.
Are you guys from Kazakhstan?
Yes.
You guys see beautiful mamacitas here.
Mamacitas.
Oh my god, I'm just like exciting you guys. What are you guys doing?
We're doing our
Is this like
traditional
Kazakh food something?
Yeah.
So let's say in Kazakh. Бұл Kazakh тамағы. Okay, keep speaking. If you guys want to see, I just want to show you how to make. She's a professional Kazakh girl. No professional.
No.
Don't worry, guys. She's shying. Usually, she knows how to make that, like professional Beshbarmakh. This is the bread. I don't know what you guys, how you guys calling. I don't know in America doing something like that. This is the like Kazakh kitchen, and let's see an electric stove or gas stove has this how I can make potatoes, some onions and carrots. Look at here, looks, oh my god, unbelievable. I'm serious, unbelievable. I don't know what I can tell you guys. Everything's awesome, everything's cool, looks delicious. I'm sorry for my voice, guys. Oh my god. I smoked a hookah all this time and then I got this one. Peace. If you guys wanna see this video again, just subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Now everyone's coming. I put my cameras, one is here. Can you guys see? And one is here. Also, right there. Oh my god, looks amazing. Again, what's up, guys? I'm going to buy something else with my friend. His name's Trek. Let's start it. Oh man, are you serious?
You already know what it is. Silent talk, silent talk, silent talk. Don't do it for me. Now watch me whip, now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me nay nay. Why me do it?
Сол қазақша сосын ағылшынша тілінде видео шығару деген ойдамын. So we got stop and shop, everybody's here, and then my friends here. What's up, guys? And I'm saying everyone say, because everybody like, what the hell I'm doing? Actually, it's kind of weird in Hyannis. Los Angeles'te бәрі осылай жүреді.
Осылай?
Былай жүреді де бәрі. И ол халыққа дұрыс қарағанда, амында жүрінде бәрі маған бүйтіп қарайды.
Вот и черный.
Я знаю, что это.
О, ты горячий. Жанна, привет. Пойдем так.
Сөйтіп біз шопқа барып, қазір қарбыз алатын боламыз, және тағы да мүмкін басқа бір заттар алып қалармыз, бірақ білмеймін. Қаражатқа қарай көреміз. How you doing, bro? I say something? He's just laughing, you know. Do you need one or two? Well, let's get some stuff. Can you open it? I think so. We need two watermelons because one is not enough. Everybody's coming and everyone wants to eat. Anyway, it will be extra. Maybe tomorrow they will eat themselves. This is the Stop and Shop. Everything's amazing. No, you guys know that. In actual California guys, they don't know. They have guys, I think so, Food Mart. Do you guys have any experience which one is good? They don't know. Do you know? You know what? Just get green one. And my friend, he's looking at me and laughing. He didn't tell me hi. Can you tell hi?
We've read Kadira.
What? I don't understand. What do you say?
We've read Kadira.
What does that mean?
Baka.
He's maybe Jamaican language, I don't know. And I'm trying to understand him, but I cannot understand, you know what I mean? Peace, guys. See, now normal people say hi. I don't want to tell nothing about him. He's a good guy. Okay, we just got 2 watermelon and 1 like package or case water, like 24 pieces.
Это типа жди меня, да?
Где здесь? Где? Я. Какие
Қайда жігіт, қалғандар қайда?
Жоқ,
Бәрі кетіп қалды ма? Қалайсың ба?
Как тут честно. Че, қалай ждай?
Жақсы, өздерің қалайсың? Дені саудың жаны сауды, денсаулықтарың тұғырлап отыр дейсің. Азиз,
Да.
жұмысың қалай?
Нормально, пойдет.
Бай ақша,
Да, пойдет.
қыздарды сындырып жүр екенсің. Бәрі естіғаннан күтіп тұр ғой. Жайшылық па екен? Да, ё-моё. It's kind of amazing camp.